Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. It's really all about the heat, humidity, and the severe weather today. So we're going to take you through what you can expect with regards to this Saturday. First off, there are no weather issues going on into the first part of this afternoon. So if you have outdoor plans, go ahead with them. It's later this afternoon. You start getting to 5 o'clock in northern areas, and then 6, 7, or 8 o'clock in southern areas. That's when you're going to deal with the thunderstorm activity. But the vast majority of the time, it is going to be rain-free. So let's take a look at what we have going forward. We have two cold fronts that are approaching. The first one is coming through for late this afternoon. The second one is up further to the north in Canada. Each one has drier air behind it. The first one comes through this evening and the first part of tonight. We see humidity levels drop a little bit overnight into Monday morning. The second front has what I would describe as the real dry air behind it. That is going to come through around midday to early afternoon on Sunday. It will have much less to work on. So other than clouds, and I think the best chances for that will be from east of New York City, in New England and over Long Island and points eastward. There might be some clouds coming in around midday, and even the outside chance that there could be a shower. If you're west and south of there, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, down into Maryland, you're going to probably have partly to mostly sunny skies for a good portion of the day. So let's focus on the severe weather. Here's the Storm Prediction Center's risk zone, which really hasn't changed very much from what they had yesterday for this time frame. So a slight risk of severe weather. You'll notice that it's oriented east-west. That's because the front is coming down from the north. And this is one of those instances where if you're along the coast, the ocean's not really going to help you. The wind direction is going to be coming pretty much straight off the land with no marine influence. So these storms are going to be able to stay strong once they develop and approach the coastline. So just bear that in mind. And these severe storms, I think, could be capable of producing gusty winds, heavy rain, and hail. Also, I want to just emphasize that just because you're in a risk area doesn't necessarily mean you're 100% guaranteed of getting thunderstorms or severe weather. There's, of course, variability in this, and it really becomes a matter of just, watching these systems develop on the radars for later today. Here's the tight satellite view. At the moment, we're seeing sunshine through much of central and south Jersey and southern PA southward. You've got some high clouds further to the north, but the real action is yet to get generated. We have some time to buy. So let's quickly go through what to expect. I'm going to use the HRRR model here. So we are at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, according to the HRRR. There isn't much happening. There's a line that forms down in southeast PA, and then a second line that comes down late evening across New Jersey and New York City and points east, and also back into southern Pennsylvania. I think you're at risk anytime after 3 o'clock. We're just going to have to wait and see how the radars develop with all of this stuff. The short-range models have not been good at all in pinpointing how weather is going, how these weather fronts and thunderstorm events play out. They've been terrible. So I just think the best approach is just to remember that there's the risk for thunderstorms late in the afternoon and evening, and act accordingly. Okay, so with respect to the weather going forward, so here are our high temperatures today, which are going to be in the range of 90 to 95 in Maryland. You're going to see lower 90s as you go further to the northeast. To get to New York City, we're talking near 90. You get into southern New England, and then we're seeing highs that are going to be in the upper 80s. And as far as Sunday is concerned, we are looking at temperatures that are going to be lower. We're going to be in the 80s, except if you go up into northeast PA and on up into the Hudson Valley and into New England, we're looking at 70s to around 80. And the dew points will be coming down. So Monday looks like a pretty nice day here. Most highs between 80 to 85, low humidity, and plenty of sunshine. Let me summarize the week for you because it's a fairly straightforward week. We're going to see another front come through Monday night with some overnight chances for a shower or thunderstorm, probably during the early morning hours for most areas from Maryland to southern New England. Then it's a little reinforcing shot of dry air, so look for sunshine, warm conditions, and moderate humidity Tuesday into Wednesday. And then late Wednesday and for the rest of the week, it's going to turn warmer and more humid. There's the threat that there could be some isolated to scattered showers, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the evening on the 4th of July. I emphasize isolated to scattered. There will not be widespread activity. Same goes for Friday. Daytime highs will be in the 80s. We might be pushing the envelope to mid 80s to near 90 starting on Wednesday and taking us through the rest of the week. And nighttime lows will be in the 60s to low 70s. It's going to be typical early July weather, and I would say about as good as you can get for a week that includes the 4th of July. I know it's a big vacation week, and the weather is going to be okay much of the time. You'll have some minor inconveniences along the way, but the vast majority of the time, you're going to be fine. All right, keep your eye on to the sky on severe weather threats for late today. We'll be updating through the course of the day. Once we start to see what the radars are showing, we'll let you know. And check out latest website posts at meteorologistjoecioffi.com. Also, if you don't have it, download my free weather app on Google Play or on the App Store, Meteorologist Joe Cioffi, or just Joe Cioffi on the search, or just go to any one of 100 links that I have all over the place and use it to follow the severe weather developments through the day. The app is free, and you can set it to where it works for any location. Have a great day, everybody. We will see you later, and of course, tomorrow on Weather in 5.